Hey, what up YouTube? This is Apollo N54 here, and today for my first video I'm going to be showing you how to do an oil change on a 2007 BMW N54. And today for our oil we're going to be using some 8100 Multil 5W40. And pretty much what we got done to the build so far, just to get you guys introduced, is we got some VRSF downpipes, intakes, and that's pretty much done for performance. And then maintenance wise, we have the upgraded vacuum lines, we changed out the coolant expansion tank, we've changed out the motor mounts, also done the valve cover gasket, the oil filter housing gasket, the oil pan gasket, and then next we're going to be doing some spark plugs and coil packs properly. So let's get to this video and show you how to change out the oil on this. Alright, so first thing we're going to get to doing is removing the oil drain bolt. It's a 17 millimeter underneath the car. Make sure that you got your catch right here, and then we're going to loosen that bolt and get the things draining. Alright, so pretty much we loosened up that 17 millimeter oil drain pan bolt right there. Next thing we're going to do is just to put our catch right here and release the bolt and get the oil out. Just be careful when you do it, because you get oil everywhere like that. And yeah, just let it drain. So now, as you can see, we got this draining down here. Next thing we're going to need to do is remove this oil filter right here. Alright, and now we're just going to remove the oil filter cap right here so that we can let the rest of the oil drain out. So you want all that oil to drain out right there. Now that we got the oil cap off, it's just gonna release just a little bit extra of whatever was in there, just to make sure you get everything out of there. Just want to be nice and thorough. Let it drain until it's done, and then we're gonna plug it up, put the new seal, and add in the... Alright, so now we're just going to be putting everything together. Got our filter, put it in, make sure it seats so it's in there nice and snug. Gonna get our O-rings, get a little bit of oil on it. Just put it on there. The small one goes right here. You're just going to stretch it over like that so it's nice and seated. We're gonna grab this one. Just gonna put it on. Until it seats right there in its groove. And you're pretty much all set. You just need this one, this one. Make sure you always have extra washers for the drain bolt right here. Always gotta have extras of those. Put on there, whatnot. Yeah, now we're ready to do the install. Alright, so we got everything all buttoned up. We got the oil filter changed along with the two gaskets on here tightened down. Underneath the car, we're all good. We got the drain bolt with the new washer. Now it's time to just open up the cap and start filling it up with nothing but the best Multil. buttoned up. We got all the oil in the car. We checked for leaks. We're gonna go ahead and give it its first start. Running good. No leaks or anything. And yeah, that's how you change oil pretty much. Super simple, very easy DIY. Pretty much any BMW owner could do it.